First time in South Asia, accident insurance scheme. It is like if from Delhi, by anywhere, an unknown person meet with an accident. I come to go to some other district, they don't know me. I meet with an accident. Humanitarian ground, they'll take me to a hospital and they'll put me there on humanitarian ground. The hospital people think whether to treat this fellow, not to treat, who will pay his money, he is busy thinking his own. And sometimes he is rejected also from the ambulance only. So now the Karnataka government, our chief minister has decided, every person, maybe an Indian, state or foreigner also, whether if he meets an accident in Karnataka state, up to 48 hours, till 25,000, Karnataka government will pay. The Karnataka hospital has to admit him and we will pay the bill on behalf of him. In a government, we have told every pregnancy mother and sister not to wait till the last moment, because primary health care delivery may take place. But anything happens, it's a risk case, then 108 and only God is there, then no one is there until they transfer to the next. So it is better 3 days earlier they go to a district level and taluk level hospital, get a good treatment and come. And for that also, to take them from house to hospital is free, delivery free, medicine free, food free, again our one medical kit is free, and when coming out, again 1,000 money for them is free. But when they are going out from the discharge, the mother and child, they used to go in tempo, lorry, because no one is poor people and go there. And in lorry, this will be infection, dust was there. For that we have decided Nagu Magu scheme, where an ambulance is made only to drop the mother and child to the house. So we want to see that getting a delivery in a government hospital is Karnataka is a right of the people. Getting from his house till dropping back is our duty, and it's all free of cost. So we are very drastically getting down our IMR and MMR. We are much concerned regarding this. It is very important to have a close connectivity within the government and the people who work on the ground. And we should know that what our medical fraternity needs from the government and what people need should be briefed by this fraternity to the government. And government should one step ahead and go to these people, and they are once in a while they should ask their feedback. And we have got a lot of researchers. And you see, their researchers, they research and they send their report to WHO. And WHO writes something to them and they publish something in the paper. We don't know what research they do, and they don't know what we are doing. So we have decided that we should have a close approach between the medical researchers and the government, and we plan to have once in 3 months meeting with all the research in our state. And again, all the doctors, once in a while, they should be connected, and we should give confidence that whatever suggestions you want, you can give. Let it be good or bad, any suggestions and any critics should be accepted by the government. Now what has happened, government means government doctors, they never come and stand in front and tell. If they stand in front, they won't open their mouth only. If they open their mouth only, they'll tell good, or they'll never tell what minus point is there, because they think that in front of a minister or in front of a secretary we shouldn't say, or it is like a protocol, tomorrow some disciplinary system is there. But we are open, we have told each and everyone, they are free to give their opinion, good or bad, and any ways they want. So we'll synchronize and we'll streamline and we'll make a system which will benefit the people of this society. And not only medical science, technology also is important. Medical science and technology joined together will do wonders in the days to come. And concerning this health concern, we have taken a new mobile app, Healthizen. It's the first time in India and it's the first time in South Asia. The meaning of the healthy citizen, and we have short formed it Healthizen mobile app. It is like if I am a public, I go to a hospital. If the doctor has not come at the right time, I am there and still the doctor's room is locked. If I just click a photo, automatically that will come to my mobile. It will come to our central mobile where we have got a server. It will come to us, secretary or director and a person concerned there. And we have got a server and a system where wherever the comes, from there it will be directed to concerned our DH, because through GPS we will come to know which DHO, which taluk everything will be there. So immediately that will be directed for them to take necessary action. It is not like a complaint box. It's a system to set the things right.